A train hums softly on the track, its wheels a rhythm rolling back. Through fields of gold and skies of blue, it paints the world in every hue. Red poppies wave along the side, while amber sunsets stretch so wide. Green forests whisper, shadows play, as violet dusk turns night to gray. The windows catch a fleeting glow of orange sparks from fires below. Each carriage holds a prism bright, a